In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a code in Zoho Books. So before we create a code, you need a Zoho Books account. If you already have an account, you just have to go to the website and click sign in and log in with your Zoho email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to go to the website, click sign up now, fill in your name, email, and company info, and choose your country and currency. After all of that, you just have to click on sign up and it's free to get started now. But you may need to verify your email before continuing all of this. Now, once you're all signed in, on the left-hand menu, you just have to click on sales right here and look for codes under the sales. You'll now see a list of all the codes that you may have or a blank page if you're just starting like me. Now to create a new code, you just have to click on this plus icon right here, usually in the top right corner of the codes section. And then a code form will appear. For this code form, all you have to do is go to the customer first and select an existing customer or click plus new to add one. So for me, I have a customer already, so I will just click on that. You can also add new customer right here. Next is the code number. So Zoho fills this automatically, but you can change it if you need it. Next is the code date right here. You just have to set the date. Usually it's today's date as default of this. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the expiry date as well, and you can set when the code will expire. This is optional though, so you can add or not add anything on this section. If you scroll down for a bit, you'll be able to see the item table. So you can add the products or services you're coding. So to add your item, all you have to do is type or click this section right here, and you will be able to see all the items that you have. You can choose the existing items that you have or create a new one with this add new item right here. So I will click the item that I already have, and it will automatically state the quantity, the rate, and the amount of the item. Once you're all done, you can just click save as draft or save and send to email it directly to your customer. You can also download it as a PDF or print it. And you've just created a professional code in Zoho Books. Your customer can now view, accept, or even comment on the code online. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.